Hello my friends. After cleaning up, a little bit of snow here on Long Island, stopped at 7-Eleven, got myself a glazed donut. There we go. That's the combination. Glazed donut, hot chocolate, and that's it. I said, you know what? If I was out there in the snow, I'm going to treat myself, and that's it. So, anyway, I wish you all well. Hope that everybody out there on the East Coast, or wherever this might have hit, and winter's just starting too. So I hope you're all well, and we'll talk to you later on, okay? From 7-Eleven, signing off, and I'll be posting again soon, okay? Leave a message if you'd like, and that's up to you. Alright? My channel, the door to my channel is always open. So this is mutual support, my friends. You're not just supporting me, I'm supporting you too. So I will always say that. So that's what's going to make this channel different as it grows. It's a mutual support. It's for all of us. It's not just you for me, okay? Thank you. God bless. Be well. Be safe. Be warm. Okay? Thank you.